This is Sawmill River Parkway southbound, right by a Yonkers Avenue exit. Major traffic condition. Seems like there is an accident down there. So guys, consider an alternative way, to cross county or Manhattan. Traffic heavily congested at this area. So again guys, this is right by Yonkers Avenue exit. So you might want to consider taking an alternative route, because traffic is moving extremely slow, as you guys can see, because of what appears to be an accident down the road, but where you see the police and fire department. County police, city police, they both at the scene at this moment.